Are you familiar with the difference between media planning versus media buying? These two terms are often used together frequently in marketing, but they actually refer to two different parts of the advertising process. Media planning involves researching and deciding where and when to place advertisements in order to reach a target audience effectively. This includes figuring out the best media channels like TV, radio, digital, or print advertising, and creating a plan that aligns with your overall campaign goals. In media planning, you analyze audience demographics, review past campaign performance, and set your budget to make sure your ads hit the right people at the right time. Media buying, on the other hand, is the execution phase. After the media plan is set, media buying involves negotiating and purchasing the ad space. This is where you finalize the purchase and establish agreements with media outlets to launch the campaign. Media buying is all about getting the best deal for your ad placements and ensuring your ads are running as planned. It's where the strategy for media planning is put into action. In summary, media planning is about creating a strategy for where and when to advertise, while media buying is about rolling out that strategy and securing the ad space. Both are essential for a successful advertising campaign.